Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and my name is Anthea. In today's video, I am going to show you the recipe for this simple, amazing apple cider vinegar drink that is going to help you clear your skin and also help with weight loss. Talk about hitting two birds with one stone. Now, apple cider vinegar is one of the things that I have been incorporating into my daily routines, and I must say it is awesome. Drinking apple cider vinegar detoxifies the body and removes impurities, and that helps clear your skin, and definitely it is going to help clear acne. In the case where you're trying to clear your skin or acne, I recommend that you take this drink in the morning and in the evening before bed. It definitely aids in weight loss because it leaves you feeling fuller for a longer period, and that is going to help you not to overeat. If you're not overeating, you're consuming less calories, which will by all means result into weight loss. And in this case, drink this 15 minutes before every meal, and you can have it up to 3 times daily. If you are using it for weight loss, it is better to use warm water to dilute it instead of cold water because of all the benefits that come with drinking warm water instead of cold water. And one of the benefits is it actually aids in weight loss. Also improves digestion, and it is also my personal go-to remedy for heartburn. It does balance the body's pH levels, moving the body into a more positive direction. I'm actually excited and happy to tell you that it also eliminates candida overgrowth. If you're a lady, if you have ever had candida overgrowth, you know you don't want it. You don't want it, and this drink helps keep that in check. Regulates blood sugar. The best apple cider vinegar for ingestion, for your skin, for your hair is raw, unfiltered and pasteurized apple cider vinegar, and it has to be labeled with the mother. Like this one. Right there. It is right there. It must be labeled with the mother. That is where all the nutrients and all the proteins are. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. My goal is to help you achieve healthier skin and hair, and also to improve your makeup skills. If that's the kind of thing you're into, please go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications by tapping that little bell on the right, so you'll be the first to know every time I post a new video on my channel. In a large glass, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon. I'm going to go ahead and add some honey. This is optional because it's just for flavor and sweetness, and it doesn't have to be only honey. You can also use agave syrup, and if you don't know what agave syrup is, it is syrup made from the agave plant, which is also the plant that makes for us tequila. You can use maple syrup instead. And finally, add about 500 ml of water to dilute your drink. Your drink should look something like this when you're done. This drink is not very easy to drink. It doesn't taste so great. It is one of those tastes that you have to get used to. So in the beginning, if you don't like the taste, you can add some ice to it. That will make it easier to drink. Use a straw to sip on this because the straw will also make it a little bit easier to drink, and it will protect your teeth from all the acidity in this drink. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, especially till the end. This is a great drink. It is really great. It is good for your health. It's good for your skin. It's good for your hair. In general, it is just an awesome drink, and I hope that you try it out. Thank you so much again, and if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment below, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do not forget to do so. See you next week. I love you guys. Enjoy your weekend.